This is one of my favorite species nowadays. This Asyastica gangeticum. It has a profuse flowering almost every day, and then it's very hardy. You can trim it and all, and non-thorny. Then a lot of bees and butterflies also come for it, and it can be spread on to nice like beds and all. This is a wild group on the somewhere on my rounds I saw. So it comes very well, and it grows very well in pots also. Pots, little bit extra moisture if you give, round the year you will have flowers. Very beautiful flowers, and it comes in some half a dozen varieties of colors. I've already done videos of some pink and bluish and all cream colored. This is a white.